Peace, peace, y'all. Welcome to today's mathematics with your girl Sunshine Monet L. Today is 10 and 11/8. First up foremost, happy solar return to my Nana. Happy solar return to Jordan. That is my girlfriend Goddess. Y'all know her. Better know her on Virgo Virgin Talk, the co-host, as I am co-host. But shouts to the Libras, the Librans, and y'all solar return today. Today's the day of 10, 11, 8. Today's the day of mastery, master yourself. And the beautiful thing with 11, also be seen as 2. So, we're dealing with the emotional side of things. We're dealing with the Libra scales. We're dealing with Taurus, who rules over the second house. Libra usually deals with 2. 2 is also the number of my yacht, which Libra is also in alignment with, bringing that law, justice, truth, and harmony, So we have this number of 11, mastering your heart chakra so much, making sure that what's inside of your heart is being reflected on the outside and not the other way around. It's not what's going on outside of you that should be inside of your heart. You know what I'm saying? That's when you mess up all the material things and all that. If I don't have this stuff all outside of me, I'm not good inside, or I'm evil inside, or I'm selfish inside, or we're not doing none of that today. You know what I'm saying? So today is, this is where my heart is at, and that's what's going to be on the outside of me. And when you do that, and when you reflect that energy, what happens is it influences other people, places, things, situations, and ideas around you and about you, whether in alignment with something that's favorable to you or unfavorable. It depends on what's in your heart and how you reflect it on the outside of you, Ashe. So we're going to take that 11 number of mastery, we're going to put it into the month of 10. This is the month of knowledge in our ketters, knowledge in our cipher. 1 deals with the energy of Ogun, taking that initiative energy, the gut that controls the mind, and everything starts with the thought. That's why Ogun can also be associated with strategic energy, Ashe. So we have that knowledge in our system. We're going to take that energy of mastery. We're going to master our heart chakra. We're going to master the scales of Maya. We're going to put it into the ketters. And then we're going to come out with knowledge and wisdom, right? We're going to come out with Ogun and the tool of... the 2 of, we could put that with Venus, Oshun and Ogun, our heart chakra and the solar plexus chakra, taking initiative with what's going on in our heart, acting out what's on in your heart. So now you mastered your heart and realize that what's going on inside is, can be added on the outside. Now we have this knowledge, this intellect. Now we're going to start acting it out. And not only we're going to get that knowledge and wisdom of it, now we're going to get the understanding of it too. We're going to come into our Bina with it. Now, the thing with Bina with 3 understanding, remember this, is ruled by Saturn energy. So with that being said, Saturn is Capricorn energy. Capricorn can be associated with the I don't want to lie with y'all. I want to say it's the L, but I don't want to lie to y'all. So, but Capricorn is associated with the goat and the root chakra and the foundation, in our root chakra, and the challenges that we experience that give us the boundaries and the resources and the discipline that we need. So when you master this heart chakra and you start embarking and acting out the things that you want in your heart chakra, what's going to happen is you're going to get that equal opposite energy. The challenges are going to come like, oh, this is what you want. This is what you want to set up. Okay. I'm going to give you the challenges to show you the discipline and the order and the resources that you need to keep reflecting your heart in this manner. It's not to discredit you. It's not to discourage you. It's not to get you to change your mind. It's not to redirect you. It's not to do nothing. It's to give you the strength that you need, the mindset that you need to say, okay, this is where I need certain muscles at. This is where I need certain resources. This is where I need the boundaries and the discipline. This is where I need these things. So we give thanks for the challenges that the universe gives us when we embark on enforcing what it is in our heart chakra, getting the knowledge from the ketters, applying it as wisdom. Now we have the understanding, and we're going to apply it to the 8th year when we get all of that. So now we're in the year of transformation, death, and rebirth. High highs make low lows. The goal is to be the homeostasis in the middle. 8 deals with the energy of Sebek. And the thing with Sebek is we have a lot of knowledge, but we don't have a lot of experience. You know the words, but have you experienced things? And a lot of us have been chatting, a lot of us have been talking and doing the things. But like, how many of you guys are actually acting out and living the things that you talk about? And promise you, when I speak to y'all, I'm speaking to myself. There's some things that so now we're in the space of conception, and when we conceiving is an action. Conceiving is doing, you know what I'm saying? So do the things that and now you're really paying attention to the stuff that you actually want to give birth to in the year of 9. You know what I mean? Be mindful of that. So when we put that 3 of understanding into this year of 8, transformation, building and destroying, empowerment, Sebek, Oya energy, Scorpius energy, the storms, the currencies, business, marketplace, the elders, the witches, secrets being uncovered, death, all that fun stuff. It brings us back to mastery. Today's the day of mastery, self-mastery, happy holy day. That's what we fucking for. Let's talk about the astronomical report. We start the day off at a 54% waxing gibbous moon. Now we're in that moon of building tangible things. So you might find yourself needing things or needing objects, physical things in your space to get you going in your project. We are in the 5th house with it, so we're applying it to our community and communication and things that we're learning upon. You might get a book, you might align with another person, you might enter another community, another group, join my book club, because we start the new book on Monday. And right now we're in voting phase of the books. Different things like that. Tropically speaking, we're in Capricorn, so our thought process is on that root chakra energy. It is on that Bina, that understanding and those challenges. Sidereal constellation, we are in Sagittarius energy, so we're in that energy of expansion, the sacral chakra, joy and creativity. Draconic, we are in Capricorn as well, so our soul is also having that experience of root chakra and challenges. So while our mind and our soul is going through the challenges, our actual experiences, the energy exchanges is in creativity and joy and wisdom from the oracle and sages. You know what I'm saying? So be mindful. Pay attention to your energy exchanges. Does this give you joy? Does it not give you joy? Is this, what is your nervous system saying about these different energy exchanges? That's a reflection of what's going on in that root chakra of the mind and the soul. Sunrise at 7:06 a.m. and setting at 6:25 p.m. Pluto is stationary and began its prograde motion this morning at 10:45 a.m. The moon and Pluto was in conjunction this morning as well, giving us that third eye energy on transformation. That happened at 9:54 a.m. The moon was 2.1 degrees south, minimal angle at 10:20 a.m. The moon was 2 degrees south, observed at 8 p.m. with a 5.3 degree east-southeast separation. The max activity of the Argid meteor shower started today. It's 2 an hour, and it's from the Auriga constellation. Mercury enters the Libra constellation today, so constellations deal with the happenings and energy exchanges. So you find your more balance going towards your what you do on your daily routine in the realms of your health and your wellness, your moral and integral code, and being of service. The fortune right now is in Gemini in the 9th house, so we have that cross between the sun and the moon sitting in that space of community and communication, what you teach and you learn. And it's in the 9th house, which is in the Sagittarius house of expansion and abundance, and bringing us back down to our sacral chakra. So your throat chakra is in your sacral chakra. Manifest the things that give you joy, embarking in your creativity. Listen to the oracles and sages. Be a self-master. Align your root chakra with your sacral chakra as well. Your third eye is over there with the solar plexus chakra, with the moon and Pluto doing its thing. We give thanks to Pluto for going prograde today. That means that we're going to repeat these degrees of Pluto and Capricorn for the 3rd time, doing a 3rd sweep across the floor, providing transformations to our root chakra and the challenges that we experience in our life. And that's what I have for you today, Cosmic Nobodies. So enjoy this energy, enjoy this Pluto energy, pay attention to the transformations and the empowerment that's coming into your space. I'm sure it's in alignment with the things that you invoke and bring you closer to that self-mastery. Reach out if you would like a personal reading. I am here for you. I do astrology, numerology, and tarot readings, gematria as well. I do a free 33-minute consult. Come with me in a consult, introduce yourself, I'll introduce myself, we can work something out. I got you. And we also barter here, so pull up.